What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the black and white display issue on your Xiaomi phone. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on display and brightness. Now if you have switched to dark mode, then sometimes switching to dark mode can cause a glitch of black and white screen. So switch back to light mode, and after that it will fix the black and white screen issue. But if you are still facing the black and white screen issue, then open settings again. Now scroll down and here tap on additional settings, and then in additional settings tap on accessibility. Now here go to the VNs tab and then tap on color correction, and then tap on this use color correction button to turn it off. So turning off the color correction will fix the black and white display issue. So that's how you can fix the black and white display issue on your Xiaomi phone. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.